How's it taste, Jacob?
Good.
Good? Yummy? Is it super good?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Yeah. If you cut it will turn into the.
You cut that one too thick.
It will turn into the apple.
No, so he can eat the inside.
But it's too thick for me to eat the inside.
He's okay with it.
No, you cut it way too thick. There you go. That's how Papa cuts them.
That's how I cut it up.
Here you go.
Okay. Eat that one.
Yummy, huh? Do
Is
you
it
like
good?
it?
What, Chrissy?
This has peanut butter right here. These are peanut butter chunks. And chocolate and granola.
It's
I
such
put
a nice
everything on it.
apple, huh, Jacob?
You want one more piece? Mommy cut it for you.
Bite the skin, Jacob. It's sweet.
The skin is good. Eat it with the skin.
It's a caramel apple.
Yeah, eat it with the skin. It's got the caramel on it.
Stop shoving in your mouth.
Yeah, bite. Yeah, see? It's got the caramel on it.
That part's good, huh? There you go. Slow down. Don't eat the skin.
The skin has caramel on
The
it.
skin has the candy on it.
And eat it slowly, Jacob. Don't eat it like a
Eat it with the skin, Jacob.
Slow it down, bud, okay? Where's the brown?
Apples are yummy, huh?
I would say my friend, look.